Welcome back. I'll show you 10 useful websites in a variety of categories that have never been featured on this channel before. Solutions to every PDF issue for decades. If you would prefer to use all the tools offline, they also have a free program for Windows only called PDF-24 Creator. PDF-24 is an awesome website with a huge collection of free online tools that can be used on any operating system in any browser. They make it simple to edit and convert any PDF file while preserving the layout and format without any errors for those times you need it. Includes all the necessary tools. AI-powered tool for paraphrasing Quillbot. Quillbot.com is an AI-powered paraphrase tool to assist professionals and students in editing, rewriting, and changing the tone of their content to increase clarity and effectiveness. If you use Rome to mrhow, which is located at Rome, the number 2 or io.com, you may search any place, landmark, and attraction to find the best ways to get there. Simply enter your departure city and destination, then click on search. The best option will be displayed when you conduct a search on the left. Sometimes, behind that, you'll also see the most affordable and efficient method of transportation, followed by other choices. Choose the best, edit and animate illustrations. I suggest visiting Tailset at storyzt.com. They are all fully editable and may be used for any project you can imagine. To start, type computer into the search box. Once you've done that, you'll see filters for styles, color, and backdrop on the left. After making your changes, you can download the illustration as an SVG or PNG file. Choose Export, remove objects from photos. The website cleanup.pictures, which also happens to be the name of this tool, suggests a number of use cases where this might be useful for photographers to remove people and timestamps, for creative agencies to remove logos and text, for real estate agents to remove any unwanted objects from their photos, for e-commerce doing much of the removal of unwanted objects from photos. Derby.com is a fantastic resource for those of you looking for inspiration for your workouts. It is totally free, has no ads, and is supported entirely by donations from its users. They currently have a database of more than 2,100 workouts for you to choose from, the majority of which are designed for beginners. Every day of the year, they have an exercise of the day. Excel Formula Bot can take your text instructions and convert them into Excel formulas that you can use in Excel. In addition, you can create spreadsheet templates, generate SQL queries, and so much more. If you use Microsoft Excel and struggle to generate the right formulas for your tasks, FormulaBot at formulabot.com may be what you're looking for. You won't have to remember anything too complicated. The FormulaBot free plan will be sufficient for many folks. There are also premium options available for individuals who require more usage and functionality. Jitter, which can be found at Jitter, will be brief with this one. For those of you who are familiar with or have used Canva, it is very similar to video in that it allows creators to create full motion animations with a ton of customization options. However, the great thing about video animations is that you don't have to start each project from scratch, because there are hundreds of templates available. Jitter does have a free plan, but it only allows for 720p video output, and it will add its watermark to your creations unless you pay to remove it. Plan export up to 4K, begin with 12 per month. Over time, attending college can become incredibly expensive. Another excellent tool is EDU OpenLearn, which is provided by the Open University and offers more than 1,000 free courses in 9 different topic areas. After completing any course, OpenLearn will provide you with a free statement of participation to demonstrate your completion of the course, which you can share with prospective employers, family, and friends. Noise I made at the address mynoise.net is a noisemaker that plays ambient music and creates natural sounds. Focus, relaxation, and sleep are divided into a number of categories, including productivity, Zen and relaxation techniques, white music, relief from stress and anxiety, offices with no walls, among other things for this illustration of meditation and relaxation. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others. If you use any websites that you find to be especially helpful, please share them with us in the comments. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe and click the bell to stay updated on all of our videos about useful websites.